Fernando Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Mayo and Pampanga. As I always say guys, isa sa mga advocacies namin sa Mayo and Pampanga is to help small businesses and even startup businesses cope up with the situation ng COVID-19 pandemic. And for today's vlog, we would like to thank Mayo Musubi for sending us 4 food packages for today. And we're gonna open them right now. First off, let's open this. Meron tayong label, which is the first one is soy. Emekanan. Soy, emekanan. So this is how it looks like. Oh, very neat packaging. Okay, so next to open is hot and spicy. Hot and spicy. So sabi ng owner kanina, ihuli ko daw yung hot and spicy kasi talagang sobrang hot and spicy niya. Baka hindi ko na ma-appreciate yung mga ibang flavors. Ayan. So let me lagay ko sa harap to. And then next is Japanese mayo. Of course, we all know Japanese mayo. We use it sa mga sushi. Okay, and then the last one is spicy cheese. Spicy cheese. Let's open it. There you go, guys. Finally, I was able to figure it out. Let's try it. Yum yum. Wow, sarap. Wow, sarap. Grabe. Another bite, guys. A healthy dish, a healthy meal on the go. Well packaged, well wrapped. It's neatly wrapped. It's not messy, so you can actually bring this as a baon sa trabaho or yeah, anywhere you go, you can actually bring it. Last one. So I have to move on. Let's check out this Japanese mayo. Physical observation, yung spam nila is actually thick. And then sandwich between the spam and the rice is your egg. It also has a good amount of rice actually. So medyo mabigat to. Let's try it. Oh man. Japanese mayo, rice, egg, and spam. It's like all-day breakfast. Anywhere breakfast. Anywhere you go breakfast. All day, anywhere breakfast. Okay, next. Spicy cheese. Spicy cheese. Galing. So Japanese talaga. It's so neat. It doesn't parang nagfo-fall yung any component or ingredient ng food. Anyway, let's taste it. Oh wow. Oh wow. I like the cheese. Based on, my preference, I think this one tops the two other one. Malasa talaga yung cheese. And at the same time, it has a little kick of spiciness. Yeah. Parang mararamdaman mo na, oh, it's spicy. But lastly guys, sabi nga ng owner, so I followed your instruction. Ihuli daw natin yung hot and spicy because it's really hot and spicy. I don't know how much. For the sake of the vlog, of course, we're gonna try it. But before I take a bite, I'm going to put it up. See that? Wish me luck, guys. Oh, wow. So, the spiciness, it's a little bit soft for my preference. So, siguro, if it's really hot and spicy, talagang I want it really hot and really burning. Whew. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have gone this far dito sa video na to, I appreciate it. We also want to thank Mayo Musubi for sending us these food packages. siguro alam niya na favorite ko rin yung Spam, kaya yeah, they sent us these. Let's support local and support the businesses who want to start in this time of the pandemic or crisis. But then again, guys, if you are craving for musubi, make sure to check out Mami Musubi and order from them. Okay, please. Kung nandun na rin kayo, please like their page as well. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video. Bye.